Good afternoon to one another. I am Kulli Jason, studying Diploma in Tool Engineering and Digital Manufacturing, 5th semester at Gannavaram Training Center. Today, I am here to present my shop talk. Today, I am here to present my shop talk. My shop talk topic is air vents. Let's see about introduction of air vents, application of air vents, types of air vents, advantages and disadvantages of air vents. Now, we'll see about introduction of air vents. Air vent should be provided in the punch and die to eliminate the air pockets, which tends to collapse the cup when stripped from the die, which means the die cavity contains air before punching, and after punching, the air should be eliminated because when the cup is stripped down, the cup will be collapsed, which forms the deformation of the metal cup. On non-cylindrical shapes, two or more air vents should be provided, which means on cylindrical objects like square, circle can contain one air vent, and non-cylindrical objects should provide more than two or more. To prevent plugging of the air vent with drawing compound, a sheet metal layer is added on the compound, which can be easily cleaned and removed from the die. Now let's see the applications of air vents. Air vents are generally used in press tools, mouse, die casting, and deep drawing and forming operations. Now let's see different types of air vents. The different types of air vents are pin vents, slot vents, and porous vents. Now first we'll discuss about pin vents. These vents are generally used in castings to exit the gas and steam during the casting. In the casting, the pin vents are used. Here we can see two vents are provided to escape the gas and steam, where because the hot molten metal contains gas and steam. Now we will see the type of slot vents. In injection molding, the air vents are also known as venting system. It is a structure that allows air in the cavity in the gate system to escape in time, which means the gate and runners contain small pore slots like system which use it to remove the eliminate the air, trapped air, before the mold closes. In molds, we use generally slot vents. Now we goes to porous venting, involves the material within the inserted pores. In such centers, metal or ceramic facilitated to control the air passage manufacturing process like mold. There, the air vents are model like sintered and metal ceramic, which is used to remove the trapped air, which contains small pores in this metal inserts. Now let's see the advantage of air vents. Releases the trapped air, preventing the defects like air pockets, increase the quality, improves the efficiency, and also decrease the sting mark defects and also decrease the short and short effect, which is helpful to produce good components in the mold. Now we will see discuss about some disadvantages in the air vents. Complexity in the tool design and maintenance, improper venting led to part line flashes. We can see some flash components produce a flash line which consists of a small pores or depth. So this is caused because of improper air venting. Now balancing the placement of the size of air vent, which means the air vents are did not properly balanced and it can cause a flash mark effect, defects, and also other probabilities of more. Thank you.